All right, today I have a Mitsubishi Outlander, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights on this Mitsubishi Outlander. The ceiling lights are also called the dome lights. The ceiling lights are also called the overhead lights or the interior lights. I'm going to show you how to turn them on and turn them off on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the vehicle. All right, I'm in the Mitsubishi Outlander behind the steering wheel. Now, in order to turn on and off the interior ceiling lights, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to look towards, guess what? The ceiling. So I'm gonna look towards the ceiling. You see this? I'm looking towards the ceiling. Here are the ceiling lights. Now, in order to turn them on, these are reading lights right here. I can just go ahead and press this, and it turns on the driver's side reading lamp. And if I press this, it turns off the driver's side reading lamp. And the same thing goes for this one right here. If I press it, it turns it on. Press it off. Again, it turns off. Now that is just for the reading lights. Say for instance, you want to operate this right here to where you have the lights to go on when the door opens. So I'm gonna open the door. See, nothing comes on, right? But if I take this switch, there is a word right here that says door. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it towards me. And now when I open the door, the lights go on. And when I shut the door, the lights go off. And that is for the rear too. And this also has a mechanism where you can actually turn them on in the rear. See, I just took this and put it all the way to the right or all the way to this side towards the camera, this side, it turns it on. Now, if I have in the center, I believe, let's see where it is right here. All right, so if I have it in the center notch, it will come on when I open the door. And when I shut the door, it will go off. Now, if I have it all the way that way, regardless if I open the door or close the door, they will stay off, all right? So that is how you operate the ceiling lights, the dome lights, the overhead lights in a Mitsubishi Outlander. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.